Everyone, I am super excited to tell you about the Summer of AI. HighLevel is running some amazing deals right now, and as you probably already know, I'm a big HighLevel fan. We use it. It's our #1 marketing automation platform. And I've been in this business for over 17 years. This month, by the way, celebrating a business anniversary. Thank you very much. And really, I am so impressed at what HighLevel does on a regular basis. So when I see deals like this, it's hard not to share them. It's hard not to want to put this out and show everybody what's going on. So let's take a quick look. If you are brand new to HighLevel, if you've not tried it yet, this is the deal that they have going on right now. And you really do have to act quickly on this one because part of these items are actually not going to be around all summer. If you notice here, this is a limited time offer. As the time I'm recording this video, there's 5 days left on 50% off of HighLevel. And that's at any of the plans. You can get 50% off for the first 3 months. That's amazing in itself. And then add on top of that, they're doing free AI for the summer. And that's why they're calling it the Summer of AI. And this is for new users, but don't worry, there are deals for existing users and agencies, even deals for people like me. So if you're watching this in time, absolutely go down in the description, grab the link, click the link, and take advantage of this 50% off, please. You'll be glad you did. If you're not a brand new user or you didn't catch this video in time, there's still stuff for you too, because they are running deals all summer long. As you'll notice, you can still go and click to see exclusive offers for existing HighLevel users. And they will be doing some interesting promos throughout the summer. The Summer of AI does mean free AI, potentially for the entire summer. They are running deals for both 30 days and 60 days, depends on what you qualify for. And this could be a little bit different for everyone, depending on whether you're already a user or not. So I want to show you some of those nuances. But before I do that, let's just look at how good this deal is. As I said, 50% off plus free AI all summer. And you can see here, $50 a month, less than $50 a month for 3 sub accounts, unlimited contacts, unlimited users, and all the core features. You can't beat this. Even at $97 a month, this platform is amazing and I recommend it any day of the week. So at $50 a month, I really hope you'll jump on that. Now, if you need more than 3 accounts, if you have multiple businesses, or you just want to be able to separate your business in some pretty distinct ways, not that you can't in one account. But anyway, if you're thinking you need more than 3 accounts, you can upgrade to unlimited. Maybe you have a couple of side businesses or some family members with businesses. You could all join in and actually get it for $150 a month for unlimited sub accounts. This is amazing. And then if you're an agency owner like me and you actually want to be able to resell HighLevel, and that is what Marketect's engine is, we actually pre-build all of our templates, all of our stuff, and resell it to our clients and our users and others. You can get that right now for half off as well. All right, the June Spotlight feature also is Conversation AI. So what that means is that there's going to be a whole bunch of resources for Conversation AI in June. This is, again, leading into that Summer of AI and what they're really looking to promote and help people with, helping people to conquer that speed to lead. Make sure you never miss a call or a text message or an instant message. This can be Facebook, this can be Instagram, this can be the chatbot on your website. This is where AI can come in and help you when it's built into your CRM. And I actually have a whole bunch of videos on this, you guys. I have an AI tutorials and training. I have a few things that are not JHL related, HighLevel related, but many of these things are HighLevel related. I have my top tools and HighLevel is in there. You want to build an AI agent or a voice AI receptionist? This is all using HighLevel and I have tutorials for you on this. Then I have a video entirely on the roadmap of AI inside of HighLevel. So if you want to know where HighLevel has AI, what parts and pieces it's incorporated AI, I have a video, 20-minute video for you that'll tell you where to find it all and how to use it. Then we have AEO and SEO and how you can use AI to set that up both in WordPress or HighLevel, because you can actually build your whole website in HighLevel. We also have an actual vibe code side to HighLevel. So if you've ever heard of vibe coding or Lovable, you can now do that in HighLevel. And you can actually use AI in your whole content planning and content management system. So these are some of the videos, some of the tutorials, several tutorials that I already have. And if there's something you're curious about, leave me a comment down below. Happy to do another tutorial, always looking for new ideas. But I've got you here. I've got the content for you. Plus HighLevel has a ton of content as well. And there's a lot of users putting out content every day because of how well used this platform is. #1 marketing automation platform. It's amazing. There's so much support. So conversation AI is the focus. You're going to learn a lot about that if you join in June. So this is the current promotion. This is what's happening this week, but you have to act quick to get that 50% off. Now, if you happen to see this video after the 7th, you might see a page that looks something like this, only it probably won't say 50% off at the top. And that's because you will still be able to get the free AI, but you may not be able to get the 50% off. So you will be able to try a 14-day trial, still completely worth clicking on the link below, even if you're after June 7th, 2026, because there are still some amazing deals to be had. Now, if by chance you're watching this and you're already a HighLevel user and you're wondering, well, what can it do for me? Because I'm not going to get 50% off. Well, I have news for you. You might be wrong. You might qualify for these deals too. All the deals for existing HighLevel users are custom tailored to the services that you've already used, already signed up for, and what you might be applicable for. So I'm going to click on this link, and what you're going to see is what I am eligible for. Your deals might be different. So again, find the link down in the description, click on it, and see what your deals are. But let's go take a look at what my deals look like. All right, so here we are. It is loading my deals, and you can see, again, we're focused on conversation AI right now. And it is basically giving me this option. Click here, and you can see I have 4 deals here, anywhere from I've got up to 50% off on add-ons, 40% off for 12 months on some other add-ons. And I can save if I switch to annual billing, which is another huge savings in itself. And right now I can actually double down on those savings. And of course, there is the upcoming level up in 2026. I can get a discount on that. So your deals might look different. You have to click the link below to double check. Now, if you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment. And also, I hope you will like and share this video. But more than that, I hope you'll go and get your Summer of AI deals. You deserve them. Thanks.
I would love to help you with a free 15-minute session to talk about you and your space and help you out.
While you're building your audience, Conversation AI is building your business behind the scenes.
I would love to help you with a free 15-minute session.
Because when your audience grows, so do the messages. While you're creating, Conversation AI keeps every new lead moving. The moment a follower reaches out, Conversation AI is already responding, trained to know the details of your business, with your tone and style built in. Whether it's text messages, Instagram DMs, or even WhatsApp, Conversation AI learns your business, answers questions, and books appointments automatically. Let Conversation AI handle the day-to-day, so you have more time to be you.